It is another day. We survived Friday, September 23rd. It is Saturday, September 24th. Hi, hubby.
Hi.
Hubby is having coffee. Hubby did not feel well. We ate too much food, and now we're suffering today. I went to bed at 2, got up at 7, hit snooze 3 times. Now we're packed in, almost ready to go to Volcano Bay. Water park day, yay! Chill, sand, sun, sipping on drinks, sleeping, and splashing. Alliteration day. And that's about it. I don't know how much of today will show. They're really picky about water rides and cameras, just like all the rest of the rides at Universal, but it'll be a fun day no matter what, and we're there just to relax. So let's start this sun sizzling Saturday splashy day. Live from Volcano Bay.
And some calories in.
Guess who finally figured out about the GoPro? Oh, look, a pigeon. Volcano Bay pigeon. And yeah, I'm an idiot. You can bring your GoPro and phones on there. So guess who's coming along with us for today? Everybody. This is our view. A little umbrella in the way, but that's okay. We have our own umbrella. And we are currently waiting 10 more minutes for Krakatoa, the aqua coaster. We already successfully completed the body plunge and the body serpentine slides in the volcano, along with the Moana rafts. We accidentally did the green, we meant to do the blue. We'll do the blue and I'll take you with me. So, let the day continue with you now with us on our journey. Here on Saturday at Volcano Bay. Finally adventure, because adventure awaits. Oh look, the wave in the middle, it changes.
Ah, yeah.
That's what it is. Okay, we're heading to Krakatoa. Drink and a snack mini lunch break after not being able to bring the GoPro as I suspected on Apple Coast. I don't understand if people can bring their phones in a pouch, why can't I bring my GoPro? But whatever. Zeke's having a nap, having to collect things, drop stuff off. Now I'm gonna go chill with my rum punch. There's a lot of people coming in. It's after the noon hour. Park closes at 6. So I'm going to chill for a little bit, and then I will take you on a walkthrough of Volcano Bay. One of the tips that I forgot about, because we don't come here but once a year, I forgot to remind Zeke to go past the first locker set and go to the river lockers because they're farther from the entrance and much less crowded. So every time we go to the locker, it's like trying to walk down Main Street during fireworks at 9 p.m. So it's very, very much overcrowded. So my bad. I also forgot about tickets. You have to scan the tickets to your app, to your Tapu Tapu Works, everybody. And then I also learned how to link other Tapu Tapus to open our locker. So I really kind of failed.
There's only one.
At being better prepared for Volcano Bay this time. So I'm gonna have to leave my verbal notes with you so that way you learn from my mistakes and I can go back and remember. So the lady behind us asleep. And we're gonna go play in the beach. Hopefully they don't have a problem with me taking my GoPro in the water. But we'll see. It's Volcano Bay. And that's where we did the body plunge. And this is the beach that we're at. Oh my god, the water's cold. I've been in the beach too long. Oh god, it's freezing. Let's take a quick dip. 1, 2, 3. Happy woke up!
100% there yet. That's why we come here in cold water too.
It's cold. Alright, I'm gonna jump in because it's cold. Here we go. I don't want my glasses to get wet. 1, 2. Because it's supposed to be every 15 minutes, so it's 1 o'clock. So I assume that it should be happening soon. So we'll see. did not get to take it on all the rides, and I was too lazy today to try to walk around the park again. Sorry guys, I was tired. I'm on vacation. So there you go. Okay, let's see what else we get into tonight on this Saturday night in September with a looming hurricane off in the distance.